Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2000 Kawasaki Vulcan 800 Classic. This motorcycle has just a little over 4,000 miles on it and is in near mint condition. Found one little scrub spot on the front fender, but other than that, this bike is really clean. Plus it's got some nice highlights on it. So let's take a walk around it. I'll show you what I found and then we'll fire it up. Excuse me. This does come with a Vulcan windscreen on it. It's all clear. Highway lights with visors. The tires on it are still in excellent condition. Got plenty of miles left on those. It has a hypercharger on it. Also comes with staggered chrome Cobra pipes. Studded saddlebags. Passenger backrest. Tank bib with a pouch. As you can tell by the back wheel, that tire's in good shape as well. Got plenty of miles left on them. Again, here's a saddlebag. Okay, I don't know, you're going to have a hard time seeing them. There's a couple of little marks right along here. There, that one you can kind of see. This one's pretty light, but that's all I found on it so far. So, I mean, just really, really clean. And there are those miles, 4,010. This Vulcan 800 will be going through our pre-sale inspection, and as with all our other motorcycles, for the entire time you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.